Hello, welcome to the channel. So a while ago I got this battery pack off of AliExpress. So this one actually is for this controller. It's originally meant for a 3DS, or a DS Lite or something like that. But yeah, 3DS. But it also works in some of these third-party controllers for the Switch. So I'm going to do that because the battery was very bloated in this controller, and it was popping off my cover. It was not sitting right. So I was able to take it apart and pull out the battery and recycle it and get rid of it, and so now I got this new battery. Might as well pop it out now. This will be a very quick video, relatively speaking, and I'm also listening to a live stream at the same time. You can probably hear it in the background. This is a very small screwdriver. I was almost going to use my screwdriver set, but I forgot this actually came with a screwdriver.
I don't think he'll ever do it again, due to the fact that Luke just traumatized him.
Okay.
Variety purposes, but it's still fucking Street Fighter. It's still games that you're constantly playing. You're not playing anything new. You're not doing anything special at all. Stop saying that it's variety.
Alright, well the battery works. That's good. I noticed the lights come on. So that's good. Oh, there, you can see the lights flashing.
Yeah, I saw the comment. It's like, oh, contributions have been restored. Thanks, chat.
So this was sitting like this before.
Take your fans for granted. You use them for their money. You need their bank accounts, so that way you can pay Hogan another visit. Yeah, it was very nice when I made money from this, but when I got my ass kicked...
Yeah, I actually originally got this controller for my Mario Red and Blue Switch. But I got my dock today, and I need a controller in order to test it out.
Yeah, it's not your fault. It's Capcom's fault. That's the thing with that, though. You don't really know how to do this right. You don't go, it's like, hey, win a match, leave so someone else can come back in. No, you don't know how to participate or how to correlate, like, coordinate and fucking lobby. You do not know how
There we go. That took a little finessing.
Their help is not good enough. Yeah, more people will play it.
Yeah, some of these controllers are very, definitely very cheaply made, but it's nice that they actually work. I have a couple of other controllers that are very similar to this.
This whole stream was just nothing more than a train wreck, but it was the most beautiful kind. The kind that Michael Bay could.
There we go.
And you hear
I
I
just had to slide it in just at the right angle.
It was just fireworks after fireworks. With his podcast, where he was essentially insulting people that liked Final Fantasy 16 and other people that actually enjoyed it. It's clear as day that he does not understand what a community is. He does this every single time. If it's not his opinion that's being agreed with, but someone else's, then they're the idiots and they need to fuck off.
Alright. Awesome.
Everyone has an opinion.
Now I'll have to test this controller and the dock. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a good one.